Today we are going to start a very important part, that is partners capital account. That is partners capital account. Partner capital account is the most important part of admission of a partner. First account we prepare revaluation account, and second we prepare the partners capital account. Partner capital account fetch 8 marks. It fetch 8 marks in your board exam. We will discuss all the things in credit side and debit side. First we are going to discuss credit side. Credit side, first we will show the capital balances of old partner, that is A and B. First we will show the old capital balances of old partner, that is A and B. Then we will show the capital brought by the new partner as by bank or cash. Third, we will show the amount of revaluation profit or loss. If the profit is there, it will be created into old partner old ratio. It will be created into old partner old ratio. If the loss is there, it will be debited into old partner old ratio. Remember, loss is there, debit side, profit is there, credit side. Next, amount of general reserve given in the balance sheet will be shared among the old partner old ratio. Amount of profit loss given in the old balance sheet will be shared between old partner old ratio. If amount given in the liability side of old balance, it will be credited. If amount of PL given in the asset side, it will be debited. Then workman compensation fund. Workman compensation fund or workman compensation reserve. So these four things: profit of revaluation, general reserve, profit loss, and workman compensation will be shared between only old partner old ratio. Four things: revaluation profit, general reserve, profit loss given in the old balance sheet, and workman compensation reserve. One more, that is IFF, investment fluctuation fund. IFF means investment fluctuation fund. It is also shared between old partner old ratio. Now we come to point number 7. Whenever the new partner come into the business, he have to bring the amount of goodwill. He have to bring the amount of goodwill, and that is known premium for goodwill. But it will be shared between old partner and sacrificing ratio. As you know, remember very well that we have discussed about the sacrificing ratio. Whenever the goodwill brought by the new partner in cash, that is known premium for goodwill, it will be shared between old partner sacrificing ratio. If the new partner not able to bring goodwill in cash, then it will be by cease current account. Bring goodwill in cash, premium for goodwill. Not bring goodwill in cash, that is current account. But the amount of goodwill, either bring in cash or not bring in cash, will be shared between old partner and sacrificing ratio. So these are the heads, or you can say except these heads, nothing come into the credit side of partners capital account credit side. Now we are coming to the debit side. If the profit loss balance given debit, then it will be debited. Profit loss balance given in the credit, then it will be credited. So credit balance in the credit side, debit balance in the debit side. Then advertisement suspense account, old partner, old ratio, given in the old balance sheet. Goodwill given in the old balance sheet will be write off. Goodwill given in the old balance sheet will be write off between the old partner, old ratio. Then you can say revaluation loss. And finally, balance. Difference between the debit side and credit side is that to balance brought down to the balance sheet. As I told you, must write down the capital brought by capital of old partner by balance brought down. If you are not written the brought down, your half marks will be deducted. When the closing balance, it must be written by balance to balance CD. If not written, you have to lose half marks. So very careful. Partner's capital account is the heart of the admission of a partner. If you have made the correct revaluation account and partner's capital account, it means you are going to score minimum 10 marks out of 12. 10 marks out of 12. So remember, these are the item of credit side and these are the item of credit side. Particulars, amount में A, B and C, A, B and C. So children, this is very much important. So I am telling you very seriously, go to the partner's capital account.